One, depending on the time the post will get to you. This is my friend. She's also a proprietress, and in her compound, she have a lot of things. Just view vegetable. She have a lot of things apart from the house. A lot of vegetable, a lot of plantain. You can even see mango tree. You see apple tree. This woman they try you. Mommy, how do you come about this?
Because I love gardening. I love planting vegetable in my compound, like the apple. Apple is a fruit, very good fruit. Mango is a fruit, and also gives shade in the compound. Also, like this one, this is blood tonic. You can boil it and drink it. It's very good for the body. You also help to manage blood pressure. Like this one, this is tomatoes. Tomatoes that we use tomatoes when we are making our stew. If you have it at home, it will help you a lot. Also tomatoes, this is the tomatoes. This one has not yet ripe. This is pepper. And this one is hospital tufa. It's also for blood. You boil it, you drink it. You can use it for pepper soup. And this one is hibiscus flower to beautify the environment.
So you also beautify this garden environment and this plant. Oh God.
This one too is tomatoes.
These tomatoes. This is different from the other tomatoes. And this one is, oh my God, the fruit is much.
This is the Malam tomatoes.
And the other one is it Yoruba tomatoes?
Yes.
Yes, I know this is the way we call it. This Yoruba tomatoes, we believe is better than Malam tomatoes. All right. And she have the two.
You can also see this one is also blood tonic. Let's go to the other side. This is purple. You can see purple.
You also have purple, berry fruit. You can see plantain. Oh my God, Christian. Are you not jealous? You may not even have bigger space more than this woman, but to be able to get all this. Oh my God.
Banana. This is peel of the banana is from Akwa Ibom. Banana. And that's also tomatoes over there.
And that tomatoes is wonderful. Hey, fans, come and see these tomatoes. Tomatoes, this one is wonderful. Can you see it? Can you see it? Full everywhere. This one, I think this is Yoruba tomatoes.
Yes.
And this Yoruba tomatoes.
And it's producing very well.
Oh, I can see. It's producing very well. I love that language.
So I see this one. This one is Edemidi root. In Calabar, we use it to mix with some other leaves and give it to expectant mother and pregnant women.
Okay.
Because my mom is a midwife, so I gave this leaf for her.
Okay.
From home.
So please, can you look at this leaf very well? What do you say you use it?
We use it for expectant mother and for pregnant women.
I told you that our local medicine, when you get some of them, you see. So when you drink this one, or how do you eat it? Is it drinking or?
We mix it with other leaf.
Okay.
We extract the juice.
Okay.
For them to drink.
Okay.
You can add milk and drink it. It's very good.
All right.
And this other one that is at the back here is ginseng.
So please, you can see, look at everywhere. Look at the way part of her house, she just used part for this vegetable. And I want to say congratulations. If you are watching us and you have a small thing like this, please get ready. Do it. You can see the ones in the bucket. She fixed these ones in the bucket, and oh my God, it's wonderful.
And that is so good.
Thank you.
Water leaf glowing from that place.